buddy. I'm sorry, why are you not happy? Daddy's almost home.
Mama,
What?
he is going to take my chicken away.
What?
He is going to take my chicken away.
No, you threw your chicken away. You threw it away. But he's going to take the garbage and put the garbage outside. If you want your chicken, we'll have to get it out right now.
No.
No? Okay, then Daddy's going to throw your chicken away.
Why?
Because you didn't want it anymore and you threw it in the garbage.
It made me so sad.
Well, you can get the chicken out of the garbage. You want to do that? No? You want to throw them away?
No, I didn't get him out.
You want to get them out? Okay, you can do that. Okay, we got the chick back. He's saved. Are you happy now?
No!
Why not?
Because it's so sad.
Why are you so sad?
Because I miss so much.
You miss Daddy so much.
Mm.
Well, he's almost home, and you can give him a big hug and a kiss.
No,
No, why not?
because I won't.
You won't?
No.
Oh, boy. What if he wants a big hug and a kiss?
I won't give anybody a hug.
You won't give him a big hug and a kiss? He'll be sad, too.
Why?
Oh, you got a runny nose. Come here, we gotta fix your runny nose.
No.
Miss Katie, what was that? Oh. I saw you smiling over there.